Okay, so I'm going to show you how to open up a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. So as soon as you start up Adobe Premiere Pro CS6, you'll get this window here. We're going to select New Project. And under the General tab, you can leave Video Display Format as default, which is timecode, Audio Display Format as default, audio samples, and Capture format as DV. You're going to want to name your file Wilson_P1_art219 or whatever project number we're working on here. One thing I want to point out about scratch disks is if you're working with a lot of video files that can get rather large, so maybe you don't want that space on your computer. So you can use an external USB drive or FireWire drive, whichever you prefer, and then you can select your capture video and audio previews to be stored and saved on that external drive, which then you would need every time you work on the project. But for this project, we're not going to need a scratch disk, so we're just going to click OK. And we're going to want to select DV NTSC widescreen 48 kilohertz. NTSC is the American standard for video. PAL, P-A-L, is the European standard. And then under settings, under editing mode, we want to select HDV 720p, which is going to be our 1280 by 720 720 ratio standard that we want for our project, and we're going to click OK. You do have the option of name your sequence whatever you want here, but I'm just going to leave it as sequence 1 for now. And then it may take a few seconds for Premiere to start up, and then you've got your Premiere file all ready to go. So you may want to watch the next video on how to import video into Premiere.